You're welcome to the Stock Market Report. I am Abiola Ismail. The Nigerian equity market maintained a slight upward momentum for the week ended Friday as gains in key banking and large cap stocks offset broader market sell-off. The benchmark whole share index appreciated 0.12% to close at 245,507.60 points, lifting the market capitalization to 158.513 trillion naira and extended the year-to-date return to 57.81%. Against the backdrop of persistent macroeconomic adjustment and shifting investors' portfolios realignment, the market managed to sustain positive momentum despite persistent profit-taking pressure across secondary sectors. Total market activities reflected mixed sentiment across trading days, opening Monday with over 922 million shares valued at 37.85 billion naira in 72,474 deals, fluctuating throughout the week and concluding Friday with 1.518 billion shares worth 26.65 billion naira traded in 42,517 deals. Overall market breadth leaned negative, with 63 equities declining against 26 gainers and 58 remaining unchanged. Investors traded a total turnover of 5.359 billion shares worth 139.05 billion naira across 261,869 deals during the week, making an increase in volume but a notable drop in total value compared with the previous weeks. 5.119 billion shares worth 404.762 billion naira. The contraction in turnover value flows a high base effect from major institutional blocks trades executed in the preceding week. The financial service industry led trading activities by volume, accounting for 3.469 billion shares valued at 73.013 billion naira in 117,509 deals, thereby contributing 64.73% to total equity volume and 52.51% to total volume. The oil and gas sector followed, generating 1.023 billion shares worth 18.900 billion naira in 17,680 deals, while the ICT industry placed third with 232.36 million shares valued at 14.624 billion naira. Profit taking led to declining in several sub-indices, including insurance, which drops 3.31%, growth, which fell 2.14%, and consumer goods, which lost 1.75%. Among individual securities, Harbour Capital PLC topped the gainers chart with a 33.33% rise to close at 11 naira, followed by FCMB Group PLC, which gained 13 naira 10 kobo per share to close at 12 naira 95 kobo, and First Oatco PLC, which advanced 12.23% to close at 145 naira 40 kobo. On the losing side, Thomas Watt Nigerian PLC led decliners with a 26.71% drop to close at 3 naira 21 kobo, while Transnational Express PLC shed 23.76% to end at 2 naira 15 kobo, and Critical Minerals Financing Corps PLC declined 22.68% to close at 3 naira. Activities in the exchange traded products segment recorded 3.561 million units valued at 513.089 million naira traded in 5,558 deals, down from 4.607 million units valued at 549.378 million naira traded the previous week. VetBank recorded the highest volume within the ETP space with 2.142 million units traded, while Stanbic SETFI 30 led in value with 169 with 167.401 million naira. In the fixed income market, a total of 117,372 bond units valued at 121.249 million naira were transacted across 29 deals, led by FGSUK 2032C-S7 bond with 51,500 units traded, worth 62.38 million naira. That was all we have for you today. I am Abiola Ismail. Join us again tomorrow and we bring you more on Stock Report.